Hi, I'm Chef Manny Uribe, and on April 26th, we had 6 high school teams compete in a mystery basket challenge. This year we had OPRF, West Leiden, East Leiden, and Proviso West. They had one whole chicken, coriander, cilantro, rice, and Romanesco. And they get a chance to use anything that we had in the produce cooler and in the walk-in dry storage.
So this year we actually have more teams than we had last year. Last year there were about 3 teams. This year we have a total of 6 teams. There is a new ingredient that they had. There is a seasoning that comes whole. They have to sort of figure out how they want to use that in the way. There are new ingredients, breaking down whole butchery items, something that they kind of had to learn and do now. I hope that they definitely take this on and they come to Triton and learn how to do more things that I have. Because last year I was in their position, and now I definitely learn more and know more to help them out.
One of the hardest things that the students had was coming into a whole new surrounding, not knowing where anything is, and then feeling the pressure. Yes, they had an hour and a half to come up with 5 identical plates, but then they also had one whole chicken where they needed a butcher and they needed to turn into 5 identical plates.
The competition is going great. All the kids are in there working and creating and innovating.
Yes, and they're working very hard. They're learning new skills out there, and we're just pleased to have them here and watching them work.
It's great to see all the teamwork because they're tag teaming and working together as a team.
First place winners get a 3 credit hour class to our program. They get a knife kit and they get a baking kit.